Welcome to this channel. Today we are treating on a basic bodice block. Please, if you find this tutorial very useful, like and subscribe to this channel. Let's go into the main business. Welcome to today's tutorial. Today we are treating on a basic bodice block. Now, for us to draft our basic bodice block, we need a pattern paper. You need your rulers, your set square, your armhole curve, your eraser, HB pencil, and I'm going to use my black marker for it to be very visible. And also the key measurements required. We have the bust, 83 centimeter plus 6 centimeter tolerance. The waist circumference, we have 64 centimeter plus 3 centimeter tolerance. The front body length, which is 39 centimeter, the back body length, which is 37 centimeter, the bust point, the shoulder to the bust point, which is 26 centimeter, the neck circumference, 36 centimeter, armhole circumference, we have 42 centimeter plus 4 centimeter tolerance. We also have the shoulder length, 36 centimeter, then the bust palm, 18 centimeter. Now, before we go on to start drafting, we will need the frame. We will need the frame. Now, to get the basic bodice block, we need to map out a frame to enable us have our center back and our center front. Now, before we do that, we need to get the starting point. And before we do that, we'll have to rule out the horizontal line and the vertical line. It is on that point where these two lines meet that you will start your measurement. Now, before we start the measurement to get the frame, we'll have to measure our front length body, which is 39 centimeter. You place your tape on the starting point and map out your 39 centimeter. Now, you put a dot there to indicate the 39 centimeter. Now, how to get the frame? We need to divide our bust into two and also divide the tolerance into two. Now, here is the division. The bust measurement divide into two gives us 41.5 centimeter. The bust, which is 83 centimeter, divide into two gives us 41.5 centimeter. While the tolerance divide into two gives us 3 centimeter. Now, 41.5 plus 3 equals to 44.5 centimeter. You place your tape again on the starting point of the two lines meeting. You mark out your 44.5 centimeter. You come down on that same point and you mark down your front body length, and you go to that initial body length is marked out, and you mark your body length. You use your ruler to put the dots together. Now, how to get your center back and your center front. This is the frame. We are working on this. This is where we get our center back and our center front. Now, how to get your center back and your center front. You divide this frame into two. Divide this frame into two. From here to here is 44.5 centimeter. Again, 44.5 centimeter. Now, 44.5 centimeter, you divide 44.5 centimeter into 2. 44.5 centimeter gives us 22. Gives us 22.25. Now, you place your tape again on that same starting point. You look for your 22.25. Here is the 22.25. You come down, you do the same thing. 22.25. Use the ruler. And you join the dots together. This is the frame. You label it center back, center front, side seam. This is our frame to start with. Step 2. The input of the armhole depth. The input of the armhole depth. Now, on our measurement, our armhole circumference is 42 centimeter plus 4 centimeter tolerance. Now, our armhole divided by 2 will give us 21. 21, while our tolerance divided into 2 will give us 2 centimeter. Now, 21 plus 2. 21 plus 2 centimeter gives us 23 centimeter. That is our armhole depth. You place your tape on the side seam. You mark out your 23. And you join the dots together. This is our armhole depth. Label it. Armhole line. Armhole line. Step 3. The input of the necklines. The back and the front necklines. Now, our measurement chart here says our neck circumference is 36 centimeter. Now, 36 divided by 5. 36 divided by 5 will give us 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. You place your tape on the shoulder line. and mark out your 7 centimeter. You do the same to the back too. You mark out your 7 centimeter. Now, the neck depth, the front neck depth and the back neck depth are not usually the same, except for some reasons you want to make the back open for some styles, but for a basic bodice neckline, the front depth is always wider than the back neck. That is why I want to increase my neck depth by adding 1 centimeter to it to give it an overall shape, which is going to be 8 centimeter, and the back is going to be 2 centimeter. It always starts from the nip, which is the center point of that neck bone. Now, use your armhole curve to create this curve shape. This is the center front body neck, and this is the center back body neck. Step 4, the shoulder slope. The shoulder slope. How to indicate the shoulder slope. Here, our shoulder length is 36 centimeter. 36 divided into 2 will give us 18. 36 divided into 2 will give us 18. Place your ruler, your measurement tape, to the center point of the center front. You mark your 18. Place your tape on that 18 point and come down by 4 centimeter. Then create a temporal shoulder slope. Use your tape, come again to get the accurate or the real 18 centimeter. This is your new 18 line. You do the same. Come down by same 4 centimeter. This is your new 18 point. Step 5. On step 5, we are going to put in our shoulder darts. The shoulder dart of the front body is necessary, while the shoulder dart of the back bodies is not necessary, but I will indicate it on this tutorial for knowledge purpose. Now, after getting the accurate shoulder length measurement, all you need to do is to add your dart. Depends on how busty the person is. My client here is not busty. Now, depends on how busty your client is. My client here is not busty, so I am using 5 centimeter dart tolerance. So here is my 5. And how to get this dart? Find the midpoint from your new shoulder slope to the neck point. Find the midpoint from your new shoulder slope to the neck point. Here I have 16. I have 16. The midpoint is 8. This is the midpoint. Now, before we go on to direct our darts, where are we directing our darts to? Where are we directing our darts to? That will come later. First, indicate the darts. Now, remember we added 5 centimeter dart tolerance to it. So we are going to share the darts among the two sides, which is 2.5, 2.5. You place the 2.5 on the middle. You mark out the 2.5 here, 2.5 here. Also at the back, you're adding just 1.5 dart tolerance. Just 1.5 dart tolerance. You place your tape at the center point of the neck and you find the midpoint between that and your new shoulder slope. It gives us 12.5 centimeter. Now, 12.5 centimeter divided into 2 gives us 6.25. Here is the 6.25. Now, you share that 1.5, that tolerance, among the two and place it on a 90-degree centigrade, centralizing the back dart. After sharing, have